Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different from my usual content. You guys constantly ask me in lives and comments about ways to make money online quickly and for free. While my usual focus is on long-term strategies for building sustainable semi-passive income, this video will reveal 4 proven methods to make money online fast and completely free. In addition to revealing these methods, I'll walk you through each step-by-step process. Just like I mentioned, I've personally made at least $100 with each of these methods, and in some cases I've seen results in as little as 5 hours. If I did it, you can too. So, let's jump right into method number 1. Method 1, affiliate marketing with blog posts. With my first method, I actually made $130 in just 12 hours, and believe it or not, I was completely new to it. Basically, I stumbled upon a YouTuber who now has over 500,000 subscribers, who recommended partnering with a company like Bluehost, and answering questions on a popular Q&A site like Quora. Here's a quick breakdown of the video's steps. Step 1, join the Bluehost affiliate program. Step 2, go to a Q&A site like Quora and answer at least 4 questions per day related to Bluehost and web hosting in general. Important note, don't include affiliate links in your answers, as this violates Quora's terms of service. Now, while the process I originally followed wasn't the best strategy, here's what you can do instead. Step 1. Partner as an affiliate with a company you genuinely enjoy and have knowledge about. Step 2. Create a list-style blog post about products related to your chosen affiliate program. For example, if you're passionate about fishing, write a post titled, "The 5 Best Fishing Reels Under $200. Step 3. Within your blog post, include affiliate links naturally throughout the text. A good rule of thumb is to add 1 affiliate link for every 3 to 4 paragraphs. There are even AI writing tools that can help you create these posts quickly. How can you do this for free? You can use free website builders like Google Sites or Wix to create your blog. Step 4. Once your blog post is live, go to relevant Q&A sites like Quora, Reddit, or forums related to your topic and answer questions. At the bottom of your answers, include a link to your blog post. The goal is to answer as many questions as possible, and again, AI writing tools can be helpful here. Method 2. Create and sell digital products. The second method for making money fast and free involves solving people's problems with specific digital products. The beauty of this is that you can create these products completely free using the Google Suite, Canva, or even your phone. My first digital product was a 35-page blueprint for a specific need, which I created for free using Google Docs. It only took me 3 days to write and sell. To date, this free-to-create blueprint has generated tens of thousands of dollars in direct sales and affiliate commissions. Here's how to apply this method. Step 1. Analyze your social media following. TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, it doesn't matter. Look at your comment sections and identify frequently asked questions. Do the questions and comments follow a common theme? Step 2. Using the identified theme, turn those questions into a comprehensive guide, course, or blueprint. Use Canva, Google Docs, or even your phone to create your digital product. Step 3. Sell your product using a platform like Gumroad, which allows you to sell completely free. They just take a small percentage of your sales. Pro tip, if you have some extra money to invest, consider G-Bolt systems. For as little as $9 per month, you can sell an unlimited number of digital products. Step 4. Let your followers know about your new digital product. Create videos promoting it, discussing the problems it solves, and how it will benefit them. Most importantly, include a link to your Gumroad account so they can purchase it and begin your journey to making money. Method 3. Email marketing. While not as fast as the previous methods, email marketing is a powerful tool for building semi-passive income.